Hello everyone. Let me begin with extending my best wishes to all the participants who have enrolled for this course. NISD has developed several online courses, and this particular one is run under the National Action Plan for Drug Demand Reduction, a national level course on drug de-addiction counseling and rehabilitation. The course has been developed for students, teachers, principals, college educators, parents, community leaders, hospital functionaries, doctors, functionaries of SLCAs, ODICs, CPLIs, IRCAs, self-help groups, youth clubs, women groups, corporate officers, paramilitary and police functionaries, NGO representatives, NSS coordinators and volunteers. The course has been developed to impart training, enhance knowledge and skills basically for the capacity building of the participants. As the name suggests, the course also aims to sensitize the participants about the ill effects of alcohol and substances, so that together we can arrest the menace of drugs and addiction in the society. Through the course, NISD hopes to equip the participants to tackle the problem of substance use and help dependents quit drugs. The course has mainly 4 components. The first one is a virtual class where an expert or a resource person will explain the subject to the participants. The participants will be provided with informative material like articles, case studies or e-books on the related topic, which can also be downloaded for future reference. Through the course, the participants will have a platform to raise their doubts with the course coordinator. They are also encouraged to give their feedback regarding the topics covered. And finally, the participants' understanding of the topics will be assessed with the help of a multiple choice quiz. NISD is hopeful that this course will strike a chord with the participants and help us generate awareness and sensitize people about the ill effects of drug use. This course is a step towards the capacity building of the participants, which will enable them to deal with the issue of substance use prevailing in society and will help them deal with the dependents in a more efficient manner. The participants will be awarded with a certificate by NISD on successfully completing the course. So, welcome you all in this course. Thank you.